seamless. It was very simple, very easy to talk to everyone. There was no problems I could have thought of that they couldn't have fixed.
My name is Erin.
And my name is Briggs. Everything worked out perfect.
Yeah, the process had a lot of security for us, and it was very well received, and it was very transparent as well.
I would say my favorite thing about the house is probably a mix between the yard and just the layout of the house in general. We have two very small dogs who, this is their biggest yard ever, and it's fun to be able to run from one side to the other with them and get them to see, how much movement now they have compared to what they've had before.
My favorite part about the house is definitely the kitchen. I love the layout of it. It feels like everything flows really well. It has a lot of storage. The cabinets that go up to the ceiling is incredible. I feel like I'm never going to run out of space.
While we were, going through all of the, the blue dots and everything like that, we had a great experience with that. They got everything that we looked at, even the small stuff that we kind of just thought like, maybe, maybe that will get looked at, maybe it won't.
I like how they encouraged us to be picky. They weren't afraid to let us go around and really pick out the tiniest of details because they were willing to fix it. Mm-hmm. That was very well done on their part.
It was great.
Everyone at Tabor has been incredibly friendly, incredibly open, very transparent, ready to help. I mean, I would text, our agent, and he would respond, within minutes. Very, very well received.
We would absolutely recommend Tabor to our friends and family. We actually already did.
We did.
Yes, we did. No, very incredible company to work with.